How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, and today we are taking a quick look at Workhorse. Workhorse because in the past week, it took a nice beating. We are down $5.25 from last week, and that doesn't sound much, but when you look at the percentage points, we're down almost 19%. We were down as much as almost 30. This stock took a beating this week. But why? Workhorse, why? You're supposed to be like the golden child. You're one of the golden EVs. You're unstoppable. What is going on? Well, that's what we're going to be taking a look at in this video, okay? Even though, you know, Robinhood, you can buy and sell so easily, I totally prefer to use Webull. Even their mobile application is way more advanced than Robinhood. If you're interested in taking stock trading, stock investing more serious, I really suggest you guys take a look at a more powerful broker than Robinhood, because, you know, okay, you're just like trading, I'm buying. Oh, what happened? No, should I sell? Oh my gosh. What technical analysis can you do here? Oh, let me expand. Okay, this looks exactly the same. I don't want the line, I want the candlesticks. Okay, okay, this sucks. Let's go over onto Webull. We are looking at the 4 hours because this will let us know a little bit more of what's going on with Workhorse. As you can see, Workhorse, ever since it hit a low of $15, it started a new upwards trend on this support line, and every time it touched it, it seemed like a great buying opportunity because it just kept going up and up before it took off all the way to $30.30. Such great gains, even double. Damn. Okay, what happened? Why did the stock drop 30%? How much would this be off its all-time high? 33, 34, 35, 30%. Like, is the stock on discount? Is this your last time to be able to purchase Workhorse at such a great price? Personally, I kind of do think yes, because this was actually a very nice healthy wedge where essentially I believe if Workhorse would have came out with better news that they were closing a deal with USPS over a purchase order of their vehicles, this stock would have shot up, would have crossed over 30, maybe found some sellers as people try to take profit, and then went crazy up $35-40. Like, this stock can run. It's had a great history this whole year. You know, everybody knows about it, but whoa, is it now a time to buy? Is it now a time to sell? Okay, what's going on? Well, I'm not going to go through all the articles. Most of you guys already know the full story with Workhorse, but what I want to bring it to your attention today is this was an overreaction. The stock had a sell-off because the USPS contract got delayed. We don't know if USPS will grant Workhorse the full contract, but that doesn't matter. Even if Workhorse gets a partial amount of the contract, it's estimated to be $6.3 billion. You know, even 10% is $600 million. But hopefully Workhorse is able to score more than 20, more than $1 billion, a good amount of vehicles, and them to prove themselves that they can deliver. They can deliver one, the vehicles. They can deliver two, the efficiency and the reliability of these vehicles. Also, last mile delivery vehicles are in high demand right now. As you guys know, FedEx, USPS, UPS, they're working their butts off trying to deliver packages. Everything's going online, e-commerce, and in order to get your product, someone needs to deliver it, and someone needs to drive a vehicle to the final destination. A lot of vehicles are old. A lot of vehicles, you know, they get beat up so fast in these type of uses because they're in and out daily. They're up and down, driving down the streets. So Workhorse is in a very beautiful position here in 2020 going into 2021 where the demand for these vehicles is going to increase. But taking a look back at the technical analysis, as we were climbing this uptrend, and then we were wedging into a potential breakout. This fallout is a good reaction to give opportunity to purchase some more stock, more shares for the long run. Honestly, between under $20 was a great buying opportunity. It did not last. This sale literally did not last more than one day. And now with Workhorse trying to recover its stock beating, it's showing great signs. What I can see now is that it's starting to wedge today and probably will be wedging till tomorrow on the last trading day of this week on Friday. Maybe by the time I post this video, it literally is Friday. And Workhorse is going to be testing this resistance, which used to be support. So I don't doubt that Workhorse is going to touch 23.50 tomorrow, Friday, maybe even in the pre-market. I'm recording this in the afternoon. So if we can cross over 23.50 and then find support once again, even if we start trading sideways, the upside is going to start looking hot again. We're literally going to start climbing up again. That's what I'm predicting. I see no reason for there to be a sell-off going back to a low of $19. That just does not seem like something that should happen. Can it? Yes. But most likely what I'm seeing is that this overreaction is going to maybe just consolidate. Even if it does go down a little bit, it's not going to go down as much as $20. I think it could touch a low of 21. That's where I'm going to say I'm finding support for this stock at $21 before yet again bouncing up and going back towards the highs. So there's many different scenarios. It's all about looking at the price action of the stock. Obviously, like I said yesterday, a lot of people were amazed to see that it dropped so much, that the trading volume was a lot, that it brought the stock up quickly. And today it had a great trading day. If we look at the 5-minute chart, it literally did not last. You probably had until 8 o'clock before it really took off, and it just whooshed upwards. And like I said, now we're trading in a little zone. On the 4-hour, it looks nicer. I believe we're going to continue trading in the zone before, again, my more probabilistic idea that of what's going to happen with Workhorse is that it's going to move up really fast. It's going to test this resistance, and then we'll see on from there. There's so many things that can happen, but let's see where it closes on Friday, December 4th, and that could tell you something of how this stock is going to go into next week on Monday. Should you buy? Again, if you're buying Workhorse for the long term, it might be your last opportunity to get it at a great deal, unless you're willing to wait for it to maybe bounce back to 21, but that's a little tough. That it would need some large sell-off. There is no big catalyst news that I could imagine coming up so recent. Another catalyst other than, oh, USPS is canceling the whole contract. Like, yeah, I guess that could drop the stock, but are they going to do that? No. Like, USPS, they totally need new vehicles. Like, they're always breaking down. What's wrong with them? Like, come on, America, you guys print more money to buy your own vehicles. I'm just kidding. Okay, don't do that. Don't devalue my dollar. So Workhorse setting up very nicely. The history of what was going on, it was forming a nice wedge to pop off, but it didn't. It popped down, and now the opportunity to get this on a sale. If anything, this is a great trading channel right here, and as you can see, it might squeeze into the old support with its new support and squeeze up. So Friday is going to be such an interesting day. I am totally going to keep this on my watch list even for next week. If you're watching my video now and I missed it on Friday, prepare yourself for Monday, December, what would that be, 4, 5, 6, 7, I believe the 7th. Yes, prepare yourself for December 7th, where Workhorse will be trading at. Where will it go? Is this the last time to hop on the Workhorse train? Let me show you one more interesting thing from this technical analysis. This right here is a beautiful, and honestly, I'm gonna say it, I'm thankful that the stock dropped. It's giving me a great opportunity to go long, buy shares, or what I want to do more is buy a call option. Look at this, guys, a nice cup and handle. The handle before we took off, but this news was a catalyst for an overreaction to the sell-off. So I ain't hating. I'm not too mad about it. If only I was paying a closer attention to Workhorse, or maybe not. Maybe if I was paying close attention, I would have gotten a call position. I got lucky for not paying attention. Let me actually be more honest. If I would have been seeing this, I would have been preparing myself for a call position and been devastated when this drop off happened. But it found great support at the 100 EMA. So this was an amazing zone of support where it has already bounced. Can this be a dead cat bounce? And like I said, I find the next support zone, if it's bouncing and just going to drop again to 21, but we are going to take off. There's so many scenarios. This is going to be a hot stock again in December. because people want to get in before the contract is announced. You know, maybe buyers are going to come in betting on it, going long. Again, I certainly want to go long on Workhorse. It shows a great opportunity to make some money in the stock market. So I'm just going to start drawing out my support and resistance and my profit target lines. I will be leaving some of those in the description if you guys want to follow along to what I'm looking at. All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about Workhorse? Are you long Workhorse? Are you long Neo? Are you long Xpeng? Are you long Lee? Candy? Oh, Candy, don't even get me started with Candy. All right, I look forward to reading your comments, and I will see you in the next one. Subscribe if you're new, and Webull affiliate link down in the description. Honestly, I will be making videos on how to read charts and how to do your own technical analysis. This is what I see. Maybe you see something different. Also, let us know, do you see a rising wedge, which is another possibility, and for that reason you can be a bear. And that's why I have this support line, because I see it too. I see the rising wedge due to this red line being the old support. Now it's resistance. Are we having a rising wedge? If we break this line, which, so you can see it clearly, I'll make it purple. Like if we break the purple line, will we start going down and test 22, 21? Great shorting position. Great buying opportunity. All right. I'm saying too much. There's so many scenarios. That's why I love stocks. And there's so many possibilities, probabilities. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.